G'day guys, Greg here. Well, it's fish and chip shop review time once again, and today's brought me to Tugun on the Gold Coast. It's right near the airport, so you might hear some planes flying in here and there. But there's an institutional looking fish and chip shop down here called Captain Hook's. I'm going to go in and grab one of Captain Hook's fish and chips, give it a review and see what it's like. Now, Captain Hook's has got a 3.9 Google star rating, so I'll taste it and give it my own Google star rating as well. Anyway, let's go grab a Captain Hook's fish and chips. Let's go. Alrighty, well, here's the Captain Hook's fish and chips. Now, they've got the typical fish and chips, which is a batter for $10.50. I upgraded it to cod today. Cost me an extra $2, so $12.50 for this. Let's suss it out. Da, 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 da. Oh, gee, that looks alright. Well, that's the size of it. It's sort of smallish. And, well, the batter looks pretty nice on there. Actually, these chips look really nice. Oh, wow, and it came with some tartare, you little ripper. Anyway, let's try some of these chips. Ooh. They're all stuck to each other. Oh, wow. Man. These chips are great. They're so crisp and crunchy on the outside and smooth and soft in the middle. Oh, wow. That's the best chips I've had in a long time. Oh, man. These chips are beautifully seasoned with chicken salt too. Now let's check out this batter. Looks pretty nice. Looks light and fluffy. Oh, yeah, that was really nice. When I bit into it, it was crunchy, and as I kept biting, this oil just oozed out of the batter. Oh wow, that was really nice. Now, like I said, I got the cod, and well, it looks pretty nice. Sort of a smallish piece, but that seems all right. Seems to be flaking apart nicely. Not too bad. It's got that nice fishy taste, of course. Quite mild, but it does taste like it's been frozen and thawed. How about I try both of these together? The fish is kind of thin, isn't it? But together with that batter, it tastes pretty good. Not awesome, but pretty good. And I am enjoying it. Anyway, it comes with some lemon. Let's do the lemon test. Lemon was squirting everywhere except all over the fish. It seems to be pooling on top there too. Here, let me get some tartare out as well. And I'll do a tartare test on another piece down here. But let's try the tartare first. Woo! Sweet and tangy. All right. Come at me, lemon test. Considering there was pools of lemon juice on this, I can hardly even taste the lemon. It doesn't affect the taste in the fish at all. And the tartare. Probably a little bit too sweet and tangy for the fish. It might taste better with the chips, although these chips are so good, mate. I doubt it'll need it. Man, these chips on their own, just some of the best I've had. Like I said, Captain Hooks has got a 3.9 Google star rating. What star rating would old Grego give it? Well, these chips, man, these are the best chips I've had in a very long time. The crusty coating on them is so good, and it's so crunchy and nice tasting. The piece of cod, well, it wasn't great. It seemed like it was a bit thin, and the batter on the top, well, it was pretty good. I liked it a lot, especially when the greasy oilness came out, but it could have done with a little bit more seasoning. The size was all right, and well, it definitely would feed one. You'd be struggling to feed two though. So for my Grego star rating, I think I'll give it a 4.2 out of 5 stars. I think it's a really nice fish and chips, and well, I gotta tell you, maybe the fish isn't the best, but these chips are so good. So if you're into nice chips, head on into Captain Cook's and try one of their fish and chips. They're pretty good and pretty tasty. And well, you can walk down the beach and eat it there as well. And if you do go in there, tell them Greg sent you. I'm pretty sure they'll have a clue. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and well, watch the traffic whiz by. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time for my next fish and chip review. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review